I'm a special kind of white guy. I self-reflected and I wanna be an agent of change. So I am gonna use my privilege for the good.
Very cool, way to go!
American white guys, we've had the floor for at least 400 years. So maybe I should just shut the fuck up. I'm bored. I don't wanna do that.